Removal of compost. All you have to do is use your fall leaves. They've been down for over the winter season. And as soon as you start pulling them back, you already see the rich soil that has been working. This is perfect for anything to grow. Rich in nutrients just by using your fall leaves. When you pull back, you'll see your worms. They've been working hard. And get yourself ready for your season. The strawberry leaves that were covered by the composting leaves are doing great. Here's our little friends helping in the composting process all winter long. The moisture that's built up on its own naturally has done a fine job. So you can start beginning to remove some of the wet leaves that were really decomposing, and then replenish with the drier leaves.